When you feel overwhelmed, I have 2 mudras I want to go over with you. So what is a mudra? It's simply a hand gesture you do with your hands. And we can channel the energy in our body to help regulate heating and cooling and feeling calm and safe. So to do this, go ahead and sit comfortably. I like to ground my heels to the earth. And now go and hold up your hands. Your thumbs represent the solar energy. Think of the sun rising and setting. Your first finger represents your air. I want you to practice your victorious breath, breathing in and out the nose. Middle finger represents the universe. The 4th finger represents the earth. You can ground it to the earth. And your pinky represents water. So when you feel overwhelmed and you want to feel calm, my go-to mudra is the focus mudra called the Gyan Mudra. To do this, hold up your solar energy thumb, connect it to your first finger like okay. And now place that on the inside of your thighs and practice your breathing, your victorious breath of in and out the nose. Now, if you want to take this one level further, we're going to do a newer mudra. It's called the Apana Vayu Mudra. Now, Apana means grounding, and Vayu is the nervous system. So if you feel irritable, stressed, completely overwhelmed, and you can't feel grounded, I want to recommend this pose for this finger gesture for you. So hold up your hands. Now you're going to take your first finger, your air finger, and you're going to put it on the webbing inside by your thumb. Now connect your thumb with your middle finger, universe, and the grounding finger of your ring like this. And now just place that on the inside of your thighs. And now I want you to press your tongue to the roof of your mouth. This is going to help go from your nervous system fight or flight to the parasympathetic nervous system of rest and digest. So go ahead and touch your tongue to the roof of your mouth and practice breathing in and out the nose while extending the exhale twice as long as the inhale. Ready? Go ahead and join me. Now breathe in your nose. Pause your breath. And now extend the exhale out your nose. So continue breathing in the nose. Pause the exhale. And now breathe out your nose. And notice your shoulders drop down and feel a little lighter. And do it as many times as you need to feel grounded, to feel calm, to feel safe, and not feel emotionally scattered. And I want you to say the affirmation, I am safe when I center my body. I am safe when I center my body. Namaste.